Here is how to gift a game on Steam. I'm on a budget with this tutorial, so I'm going to gift this 50 cents game to any friend I can find in my friend list. So in order to gift a friend, what you have to do, open the page of the game, now press on add to cart like a regular game, and now very important, once it's added to your cart, you'll find here for my account, select that, and now select instead this is a gift, and now let's press on continue shopping. Oh, actually, I had to press on the other button. So now on my cart, I will press on continue to gift options and select gift recipient. Now you'll have basically to select a friend whom you want to gift this game. I will select this friend, you were the lucky one today. Here you can give a message if you want. I will write actually like and subscribe. Alright, before you continue, make sure check one more time at gift recipient, make sure that you'll see the friend who you want to send this gift to, so you'll not send this to someone who you don't want that, right? So just double check that, and after that you can press on continue to payment. And now, as a regular payment on Steam, you will have to purchase this game. You can purchase the game as you'd like, with a card, with a debit, credit, and all that kind of stuff which you'll find on Steam, but I will select my Steam wallet because, as I said, I am on a budget right now. I'll recommend to read the terms and conditions right here before you go and check that you agree with them. You have to keep in mind that this game can be refunded only in its first 14 days after purchase. After 14 days you can't refund it anymore, and as well, if your friend played it for more than 2 hours, then the refund is not eligible anymore, so you can obtain for a refund only in the first 14 days after the purchase. Once you read the terms and conditions and you mark this that you agree with them, let's press on purchase, and my friend received this game, despite the fact that on the screen says that I received the game in my inventory, and if you press on click here to see, we can locate actually the game in our inventory. But if we press on manage gift from here, we can see that this gift has already been sent to my friend. They have been notified but have not yet accepted or declined the gift. They will see a notification right here in the top right hand corner when they will open up Steam. So this is how to gift a game on Steam. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Leave your thoughts down in the comments so we can help more people with the algorithm. Thanks for watching and bye bye.